Now, to talk about anger, I feel anger is a powerful, positive emotion. And I might be criticized for the statement I just made, but just imagine things that make you angry are only those things that matter to you. If
True.
it doesn't matter, you won't care. But because it
True.
matters and you really, really want to get it right, or, because you're protective about your child. And I saw this, when I'm working with my clients as a coach, you're very calm and you're saying, okay, do this and do not do that. And this could be the possibilities, whatever. It's just like, on that neutral ground. But if my sister is walking even closer to a ditch that I know she will fall into, I am angry with her. I'm like, why would you do this? And when I caught myself a few years ago, and I'm like, why am I angry? Why can't I be like coach like here? Because I'm too
Mm.
invested. I cannot
Correct.
have her fall into that ditch. I cannot have her be hurt. And when your emotions are involved at that point, is where you feel angry. If you feel angry with people at work for not performing to the point, because that performance matters to you. If you feel angry with your kids for not putting in enough efforts, because their progress, their growth matters to you. Instead of trying to stop the anger, I would say, whenever you're angry, after that, evaluate what were you trying to achieve.
Hmm.
And do you think there could have been other three different ways to achieve that by making some changes in the environment?
Hmm. Hmm.
For example, if someone is making your food spicy, and you tell them
Hmm.
once, you tell them second time, you tell them the third time, and they're like, but I'm telling you, why are you not getting the point? Now that's
Yeah.
the anger, right? It's a built up anger. First time you didn't say
Yes.
anything, second time you
Yes.
ignored and chose to be considerate, third time you lost it.
Yes. Yes.
Now let's reverse the situation, let's change it, and let's look at it. Okay, what can you change about it? Do you want to go and change the recipe that they're using? Do you want to change the mirchi that they're using? Do you want to evaluate that? Probably they're putting it in their style, but without realizing it is spicier.
Spicy. Yeah.
Or do you want to then choose different meal options? We do have choices. The
Hmm.
problem under anger is expectation from that particular person to deliver something in that particular way,
Way. That.
right?
Yeah. But yeah, you're very right. Yeah. I mean that the I think the learning here is to then think over it and find those different alternatives, different ways. That's where we kind of miss out. At least I do. I wouldn't even generalize. I miss out.
And if you stay committed to that solution instead of making person the issue, they see that. They
Hmm.
always
Hmm.
see that. All of us do. Like if you see a person not giving up on what they want, if they kind of keep, chasing that idea in multiple ways, you suddenly have that respect for that person. Though you don't agree with what they're doing, you don't care about what they're doing, but you think like, Arey, itna dil se kar raha hai, chalo, let me just look into what is happening.
कोशिश करते हैं हाँ हाँ
So if you're
that's
not
right
making them an issue, and which is tougher, but the issue is about the situation being a certain way, I think then one, you are not as angry as you used to be, and also the other person joins your team.
that's right yes he sees your concern and that you're invested as you rightly put
And I love this line, and it is mostly applicable in intimate relationship, but also I feel in overall relationships it can be found. And when we do the mental gym, I've seen that how we become a team and actually do that as a group also, is when you say the problem is not between you and I. The problem is in front of us, and we are trying to solve the problem.
yes yes
Right, that
correct
simple
yes yes
movement, like from keeping it in between two of us, we just move it to a side and we look at the
fine
problem as a team. People are just phenomenal. I think people give their heart, their soul. They just want to, because we all want to belong at the end of the day. The very moment we feel reprimanded, we turn against the situation.
correct true